Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see Google Chrome incognito history and how to delete it. So for this, first of all, just open a website using incognito mode, and then when you are here, you can search for anything like random thing. Like I'm going for this match.com, and you can open second tab and search for anything random, and that's how you can go for third tab and fourth tab. And now just tap on this cross to close it. Now click on the Windows search box on the bottom and look for command prompt. You can invoke it by trimmed. Run the command prompt as an administrator and then type ipconfig slash display DNS. Now you can see the website you recently opened in incognito mode. Let's save the results in a text file kingpin123.txt. Type ipconfig slash display DNS d kingpn123.txt, same like I'm typing. And now go to the D drive. You will see kingpin123 there. Open your file explorer, go to this D, and now you can see this file. So just tap on it. It shows the website you recently opened that didn't show up in the history. Now how to delete incognito history. Open the command prompt and make sure you run it as an administrator, and now type ipconfig slash flush DNS flush. Nobody is able to see the website you have visited, and now you can cross it, and that's how you can see Google Chrome incognito history and delete it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.